Hi, this is Tinzi Digi reporting for SFT TV. Behind us, you will see SFT interns and local Tibetan community students rehearsing for a presentation tomorrow, August 10th at Union Square. They're doing a piece of political theater.
OLYMPSC is here. OLYMPSC is here. What do we want?
Free Tibet?
No, they'll kill us for sure.
Wish that I had.
Human rights?
Keep on dreaming.
We're doing a musical. It's a mock action political theater where basically we bring up the Olympics again, and it's basically a sing-along to do a difference of a political theater because everything seems very serious. This might be a little more entertaining for the people that are going to be watching, and it's an emphasis on the Olympics and how Tibetans in Tibet don't want the Olympics and don't want China in Tibet because of their illegal occupation of Tibet. And we're basically trying to show how Beijing is not a celebration for us Tibetans. We're still suffering under the great crackdown, and we're still in a great state of fear. While the Beijing is happening, everything's games and fun to the maybe Chinese government, but it's not games and fun for us Tibetans. We're still suffering.
다 다른 간조 아니 데라 좀네 아니 로트베드 잡체기 소파기 아니 고지시네 안 다른 간조기 땀지드네 지타베지 자리시여라 다른 간조 데 최고의 김세 조드 칼라나 아니 잠블링라 아니 다 로춘도 디티아체 카레 칼라고 다 올림픽 때문에 기우다야다 드네치고 말했어 올림픽 때만 마세 아니 잠이라 아니 Gyanada Pula Yungo rest, the Kari Yungo, my any Rama Mewata, the Nichi, Tuanchi, Tonganzi, the Tamji, so
Wish that I had.
Human rights?
Keep on dreaming. Keep on dreaming. The torch is a symbol of our great one nation.
The torch is mighty, but it's really bloody.
What do we want?
Free Tibet?
No, they'll kill us for sure.
Wish that I had.
Freedom of speech?
Keep on dreaming. Keep on dreaming.
Join in the celebration.
Okay.